What's up, everybody? So, as you can tell, we got some progress made onto the White Rex. I did find out what was making the noise, as you can tell from the thumbnail. Let's dig in and show you what's going on. These ones, they suck. Starting to look empty now, boys. Well, let's pull them out. There it is, boys. Vent rod, number 1. Sorry, number 2 cylinder, but the first one I found. Got all them bad boys out. As you can tell from the thumbnail, cylinder number 2, that's not supposed to be squiggly. Good. I kissed the cylinder wall just a little bit down there. Let's see if I can get a light on it for you. You might be able to see it right down there in the very bottom above the crank. Really hard to see. Just kissed it. We got super lucky. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and say screw it. We're full sending the P29 pistons with another set of stock rods. Thinking about switching fuels to maybe E though, so it can hopefully hold up to the boost a little bit better. But you know, whatever. While it's apart, I think I'm going to go ahead and dip this and this. There's my little baby turbo. Yeah, that's where we're at. I want to end it right here. It's getting kind of late. Look for the part 2. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Again, guys, stay away from the boost. It kills.